What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Let's talk about what's going on right now because this is crazy. XRP looks like a man on a mission. It looks like it's going to hit the moon. It looks like it's going to hit the levels that I wanted to hit by the end of the year this month. And this is the last day of the month. So it's crazy to say that we're seeing this level of growth, but it's also expected, right? I'm looking at it and going, okay, these are the levels that I wanted to see, but when you actually see it happen, it's just a completely different animal, a completely different thing, and it just feels really, really good to see it. Now, there's no extra rhyme or reason as to why this is really happening. We're getting closer and closer to January, where Gary Gensler is going to be out. We're getting very close to 2025, where the official altcoin season should definitely happen and already has been taking place, as we see a lot of altcoins that are starting to get into the close to the hundreds of billions of dollars, and this one breaking $100 billion, which is a barrier that we wanted to see it break for quite some time. And a lot of people said, look, it's not going to be worth $100 billion. It's barely going to be worth $60 billion. And I remember those days, right? Back when it was at 40 to 50 cents, it would hover and go up to 70, back down to 40 cents. And I said, look, it's going to break out one of these days. And once it does break out, once it does have a lot of positive news, we're going to see it worth so much more than you think, right? 60 cents, 70 cents is what you believe it's going to get to. It's never going to break $1. Well, it did that. And not only is it breaking $1, it's getting to even higher levels. So let's talk about XRP. This is not really like, oh, I proved you wrong video, but technically every video is that. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you want to check out my link for Patreon as well as my link for X down below, feel free to check out those. I also have a link for a platform that I'm using that you're allowed to use it in the US. You do have to go through, a whole know your customer thing where you have to put in like your ID and everything, but they do service the US. It is a leverage trading platform to where you can own the position outright. You can also leverage trade. It's been around for 13 years, trusted by millions of people, as well as you're going to be able to gain a deposit bonus, 10% deposit bonus over $500 USDT. Then you'll get 10% to trade with. You also can get an extra $10,000 in bonuses, up to $10,000 in bonuses, as well as 40% lower trading fees. So it's a no-brainer to sign up for this platform. It is honestly a very, very good platform that I've been using for about a month and a half now, and it's been doing wonders. This is what it looks like, BTCC. The link will be at the top of the description. You could trade BTC, you can trade XRP, you can trade Terra Luna Classic. You're going to see that I have a Jasmine coin investment right down here that's up 325%. This is up 82%, 124% for Caspa. And then CRO, I'm up another 24%. So I'm going to continue to leverage trade over here, and you can do as little as a 2x leverage, giving yourself a little bit more security, and a maximum, depending on the position, of a 500x leverage if you are very confident in your strategy. I don't ever recommend that, but there are some people that are very confident in what they do, and they can make a decent amount of money from that while taking little risk. Anyways, check out my link for BTCC down below and go and trade XRP today, because they do offer it at up to a 500x leverage. They just recently increased this because it was a 50x leverage, and now they offer XRP up to a 500x leverage. So if you're confident, you can do that. I don't recommend it, but you can make a boatload off of $10 if you decided to do that, if you were confident. Anyways, let's go and check out what's happening with XRP. I'm going to go there, and then we're going to look at the chart here, because this chart is a lot better than other charts that are there. So if we go over to XRP and coin market cap, it currently stands at $1.89. It's up 265% over the last month. This is phenomenal to see, to know that if you would have invested in XRP a month ago and it was at 51 cents, right? That was where my average was, 51, 52 cents. It's not there anymore because I did throw more money in there. But 51, 52 cents and gets up to a level of almost $2, right? A $100 billion market cap. Tell me that is not insane movement. It is something that we expected, But again, when it happens, it's just a completely different thing to think about. Currently, this is at a $108 billion market cap, with an $18.5 billion volume day. Again, phenomenal 90% growth in volume. You're seeing 57 billion coins that are out there in circulating supply, or 57%. Volume to market cap ratio is 17.24%. Now, my goal for the end of this year was, one, I had two goals, right, by the end of this year. I wanted to see a $100 billion market cap. I wanted to see it break $100 billion. And I wanted to see it break the $2 level. Now, today, it's up to $1.90. We could see that continue. We could see it break $2. And then we have my second goal that has been accomplished. That means that 2025 is going to be absolutely massive for XRP and many other cryptocurrency and altcoins as well. But the ultimate level, right, the level that I really wanted to see in the end was a level of $5. So if we can find a way to see December break out the way November has broken out, then we could potentially see $5 of an XRP, which means that this would be at a 250 plus billion dollar market cap, which I think it can not only hover there, but maintain that level of market cap, maintain that price, as well as maintain price in the trillions. This XRP, in my opinion, and I've said it plenty of times, and people don't believe me, XRP is going to be the number one cryptocurrency out there because of its use, because of what we know it's going to be. So we have some articles out here just talking about the gains where XRP eyes run to all-time high as historic golden cross nears, it spikes above $1.80. It's currently at $1.90. So they're talking about the golden cross and obviously running to levels that we all wanted to see. If we can see all-time high, which is not too far away from where we are, all-time high would be $3.84. So yes, today's high was $1.94, so we did see maybe a little bit of a resistance, but hopefully we can see it grow to even further levels and break the level of 194 for the all-time high, or the last high in the last, 3-4 years. But this high has happened in 2018, so it's about 7 years since that has happened. Almost 7 years since that has happened. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. This is just amazing to see this level of growth and to see my account size, my balance be as high as it is because I had high conviction. And I think this is something that you need, whether it's in XRP or whether it's in Jasmy Coin or whether it's in CRO or whatever, right? This is something that you truly need is high conviction for whatever you're investing into. I believe in XRP. Enough so that I invested more over $1, which I said I really wouldn't do, but I still have a decent amount for what the future will bring, and so far that is working out in my favor from where I invested at $1.30 to coming up here at $1.90. So I made a decent amount of money on that 100,000 XRP that I added, or technically 110,000 XRP that I added. So great to see XRP moving like this. Let me know what you think about it. Again, if you guys want to trade XRP, let's say you feel like you missed it, and obviously you're going to wait for a little bit of a pullback, and then once you see that pullback, you have an opportunity. You can go and trade with BTCC, which is a fantastic platform to use. You can leverage trade 2x leverage if you want to. You can own it outright if you want to. So you can treat it like if you're just buying it outright, or you can buy 2x leverage, 3x leverage, 5x leverage. It is a great platform that is geared towards the US as well, and being able to be used in the US. So that's a good deal to know that you can use it basically in every country, and also be able to leverage trade unlike other platforms. There's like a Coinbase or like a Kraken. You don't really have that risk associated with it, but you have that over here if you want to use it. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, again, make sure you check out my link for Twitter, for Patreon, as well as BTCC in the top of the description. I'm going to get out of here. And I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.